What is up, guys? This is Aaron with Great Lakes RC, and we're going to take the Losi 3XLE out for a bash, hit the new ramps. I recently fixed the rear diff, and I was shocked that it was pretty much obliterated. So it is very cold today, and the ground is pretty well frozen. So hopefully I don't break this thing too much, but I just got to get out and bash. And I forget just how big this truck is. It is a beastly big truck with a lot of power. Running 6S, of course. It is just frozen down here. So this ground is going to be extremely hard. Ooh. Oh, my hands are freezing, guys. That's all ice right there. And I'm barely breathing on the throttle here. Wow. That was pretty big. So I'm running 1 mil diff fluid in this bad boy. Sway bars. Everything else is pretty well stock. That was nice. Man, this thing flies great now. I feel like I can do this all day. Alright, before I get too cold, there's another thing I want to try here. Alright, so these were my original ramps. They came from 1080. So I laid all those out and then put the discount ramps on top of it. See how that works out. pretty good. Wow. That's gonna be sweet. Nice. There's that body rub. Wow, it sounded really hard. See the ice back here. Oh. No way that survived. No possible way. I hit it right on that back wheel. Yeah. You guys see that? Bent that dog bone hugely. Yikes. Yep. I might be able to straighten that. If that's all that actually happened. That was pretty wicked. Hopefully that cup's alright. Wow. Alright. I think we're done. Still pretty impressed with these ramps in this truck. We'll get her fixed back up. Bring her out here another time.